क्या करने में को?
इधर आ, यहाँ कुछ करना है, सुन।
इसको सुन के बोलना है।
प्रकाश त्रिपाठी होस्ट है। स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, स्टार्ट हो गया था, आएगा आवाज। कैमरा ऑफ कर। अरे मैं बात नहीं कर रहे हो, सब म्यूट कर रहे हो।
मैं करूँगी। भाई कंप्यूटर क्लास है।
इसको काम कर।
कंप्यूटर क्लास। कंप्यूटर क्लास। देख एरो है।
Hello. Very good afternoon all. Hope you all are doing well. आप सभी healthy and happy हो, ये उम्मीद है हम लोगों को। This year we all have faced many undesirable issues, but anyway, because of God's grace, we have overcome the pandemic situation partially. With your cooperation and support, this year, this academic year is going to an end or proceeding to our end. At this moment, we are having a new policy from education, that is National Education Policy 2020. On the regard of education, and in this regard, a new education policy, we want to give you certain instructions, information, so that the parents also will aware about how to guide their child at the home. Along with the school education, the children must be guided at home, and the same guidance will be given by the parents. Here, your cooperation in which area, it is more important that I am going to tell you in very short time. I hope all parents will give your attention and listen carefully. First, we will go to develop a partnership with your child, teacher and school staff. आपके बच्चे के टीचर और स्कूल स्टाफ के साथ एक पार्टनरशिप का डेवलपमेंट करें. As soon as the school starts, try to find a way to meet your child's teacher and have a communication, continuous communication with the teacher. उनके साथ बातचीत करते करते आप ये श्योर करें बच्चे का डेवलपमेंट कैसा चल रहा है और आगे कैसे करना चाहिए. Second, attend parents-teacher conferences or meetings and keep in touch with your child's teacher. Regularly meeting होता रहता है स्कूल में. The school is usually conducting 3 to 4 parent-teacher meeting in a complete academic session. And this meeting you have to attend, and without any fail, you have to give your suggestions. You can also give the changes that you are observing in your child, so that we will commit for the development of the child. Support your child academically. Find out how your child is doing at home. Ask the teacher how well your child is doing in class compared to other students. If your child is not keeping up, not growing, especially when it comes to reading, ask what you or the school can do to help the development of child. It's important to act early before your child gets too late or too far behind. Also be sure to review your child's report card each time and come back to your teacher for a guidance. Make sure that your child gets some homework done. Let your child know that you think education is important and that homework needs to be done each day, every day. You can help your child with homework by setting aside a special place to study, establishing a regular time for homework, and removing disturbances such as the television and social phone calls during the homework time. Help your child prepare for the test. While the examination is about to start, help your child to overcome the difficulties and phobia. Often we are observing the children are facing difficulties and having a fear of examination. During such a situation, all the parents are requested to just guide the children with a positive remark that this examination they will appear in a positive effort and positive thought, and they will definitely do good in the examination. If it is difficult for you to help your child with homework or school project, see if you can find someone else who can help, or even you can ask personally the teachers to support your child along with your contributions. Help your child prepare for test. Learn what the school offers. School offers every time. Read the information the school sends at home or we are sending to the mobile, and ask to receive information in your native language if necessary if you are facing difficulty in English. Talk to other parents to find out what programs the school offers regularly. Maybe there is a music program, after school activities, sports team, or tutoring program your child would enjoy. Remember to keep track of events throughout the school. Encourage volunteer at your child's school or join your school's parent-teacher groups. If there is any parent-teacher group, or you can also develop some parent-teacher group, teachers appreciate it when parents help out at the school. There are many ways you can contribute to the school. You can also volunteer in your child's class or in the school library. You can make food for a school event. If you work during the day, you can attend parents' night activities or your child performances. At most schools, a group of parents meet regularly to talk about the school. This group is usually called the PTA or PTO. The meeting gives you a good chance to talk with other parents and to work together to improve the school status. Encourage your child to use the libraries. Libraries are the places of learning and discovery for everyone. Helping your child find out about libraries will set him on the road to being an independent learner. Remember that the libraries also offer a quiet place for the students to complete the homework and are often open in the evening time. Encourage active learning. Children need active learning as well as quiet learning such as reading and doing homework. Active learning involves asking and answering the questions, solving the problem, and exploring the interest. Active learning also can take place when your child plays sports, spend time with friends, act in a school play, plays a musical instrument, or visit museums or bookstores. Every activity is providing a feedback for the active learning. To promote the active learning, listen to your child's idea and respond to them properly. Let them jump in with questions and opinions when they read books together with you. When you encourage this type of give and take at home, your child's participation and interest in school is also likely increasing. Monitor your child's television, video game, and internet use. Nowadays, we are forced to follow up the video games, electronic gadgets for the development of the students, because such a situation we are facing right now, we are bound to provide these mobile phones to the students, to the children. Even among that, you have to monitor the child at home, how far they are using the mobile for the study and how are they using these gadgets for the video game, for the watching other activities or television shows, or they also can use this internet program, different varieties of internet games. So all activities are the role of the parents, what they have to play at home. Along with the development of the child in the school, there are certain role of the parents that parents have to cover up, parents have to work out at home. Then we can together, the teachers and the parents together can help for the development of the child in the school. Finally, I would like to thank you all for patient hearing and give your valuable time. If you have any queries related to this, you can share your queries. Thank you all.